Hello aspirants, welcome to UPSC Guide. You know that NCERTs are very important in your UPSC preparation or any other state public service examination preparation. You must have heard many toppers or faculties or institutions telling that go through NCERTs first. Complete NCERTs before coming to coaching, right? So this is the reason why we have come up with one of the course, NCERT Foundation course. I'll be taking you through the orientation of this particular course and we'll try to understand why NCERTs are important, how NCERTs are important, how NCERTs are relevant in your preparation for this examination. Okay. So first, why we need to read NCERTs? Why? Why NCERTs are important? First reason is simple. The language in NCERT books are highly simplified for your better understanding. You need to understand an average student of the country can understand the concepts which are clearly mentioned in these books. That is the first reason. And the second important reason is extensive research. NCERT as a body, as an institution, does craft work, right? They'll understand the mindset of the students, they'll understand the perception level of students and do extensive research and publish these books in a way that an average student will understand, right? So based on extensive research, these books are made. So that is another important reason because of which we need to go through them. These are the authentic sources. Whenever you're talking about polity, history, economy, geography, whenever you're talking about any fact, these books are one of the important authentic source of information. For statistics, that is the reason why we need to go through these books. So as we said, standard books from your state, from your city to Delhi, every person will say the same. Every person will say the same. NCERTs are important in your preparation, right? Start with NCERTs. Before coming to coaching, complete NCERTs, right? So correct information, as I said, for your better understanding of concepts. Later, when you go to coaching or whenever you do any general studies foundation course or you prepare for mains examination, you need to have some basic foundation which we will get from these books, right? So direct and indirect questions in UPSC is another important factor which is driving us to make this particular course and bring it to you, right? So there are questions. In lateral slides, I'll try to explain how many questions are directly or indirectly coming from this particular text, NCERT, right? So by the time you complete, you will have conceptual clarity of those basics from 6th to 12th class, especially polity, history, economy, geography, right? Different perspectives. You will have little different perspectives. You will develop different perspective towards that particular subject, right? Time saving. It is time saving for you because most complex concepts are explained in simple, detailed way, crisp, crystal clear, which is useful for your mains examination also. As I said, a strong basis for further preparation, right? Whether you are going for your state public service examination or whether you are going ahead with the UPSC examination, it will give you a strong foundation for your preparation further, right? This is where you lay that foundation brick, okay? So, how many subjects we need to cover? How many subjects in NCERTs you need to cover or you need to read? So, these are the basic subjects when you take UPSC, right? Especially for UPSC or any other state public service commissions, if you take history, polity, economy, geography and general science, which also brings you conceptual clarity in science and technology further. So I'll once again repeat, it is history, polity, economy, geography and general science. These are the important subjects which we need to cover. So as I said, why this is so important? Why is this relevant for your examination? If you can check the trend analysis of questions from NCERTs directly, so which we try to analyze, right? So if you take from 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So this is the subjects breakup. You know that environment is also another important subject for which strong foundations are important, strong basics are important, right? So if you take up randomly 2018, 7 questions in history came from NCERTs and 3 from geography, and you see most of the students struggle with history. And 7 questions, and see the trend here, 6, 8, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, and an average of 8 questions are coming from NCERT in history. If you take geography, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, an average of 3 questions are coming from NCERTs in geography, right? So geography, when you take geography, it is very wide, right? Polity, when you take polity, again you are getting anything around 3. So if you take economy, again average is 3. You can see 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4. If you take science, from science you are again getting 2 to 3 questions, right? As part of science, general science or science and technology, you are getting 2 to 3 questions from NCERTs directly or indirectly. And if you take environment, again environment is another important subject where we are getting 1 to 2 questions directly in UPSC preliminary examination. If you take an average of 20 questions are coming from NCERTs, right? NCERTs, although simple, which can be completed in 30-35 days after extensive reading, you are getting 20-24 questions directly or indirectly from this particular part of NCERTs, right? So I hope you understand the relevance and importance of reading NCERTs for your preparation, and this also will lead to further scoring in the mains examination because you will have conceptual clarity on those topics, right? So that is the reason why we are stressing what we need to do. What is this NCERT foundation course? What is this module exactly about? What we are going to do here? First one, we'll do classes. Daily you will have classes. You need to attend the classes, right? Second, we'll be giving you the gist of NCERTs. Apart from the NCERT textbooks or PDFs which you have, we'll be giving the gist of them through which you can complete very easily and fastly, right? And you need to practice those MCQs, multiple choice questions of NCERTs which we give, and these are mostly picked up from previous examinations, right? You need to solve them. So after doing these 3 stages, you will have a strong base, right? You will have that strong base to start your preparation further. So you can take off from here. You can start your preparation with any coaching center or any mentor from here. So that is the importance of this particular course. As I said, you will be having polity, history, geography, economy, environment, science. So these are the subjects which we will be covering here. So I will be repeating. Course starts from 16th August 2022. We are going to start this course from 16th August 2022, right? We will be covering 6th to 12th NCERT books. All the important concepts and topics will be covered and will be given as a gist for you, and also MCQs. You will be writing examinations, right? So the moment we complete polity, you will be writing a polity NCERT based examination, right? So those questions which are coming from NCERTs, you will be solving them and you will be developing that innate skill of solving questions for preliminary examination in UPSC, okay? So daily classes, you will have daily classes, regular classes. This is not weekend classes or weekday classes. These are regular classes, right? You will have classes daily. And NCERT based mock tests, as I said, after completing the topic, particular polity or geography, you will be solving the MCQs. Nothing less than 1500 MCQs you will be solving. 1500 plus MCQs you will be solving throughout the course. And we will be completing that with speed and quality. So we are not going to drag this particular course years together. We will be targeting 30-35 days and we will be covering up all those fundamentals required from NCERTs, and nowhere we will be compromising with quality. All the NCERTs will be made by the faculty themselves, right? Gist materials for all NCERTs will be updated in the portal, in the study portal. All these will be made available for you. right? All the GIS can be downloaded and you can go through them, prepare and come back and write examination. And this course is important for all those aspirants who are feeling that I am weak in history, I am weak in polity, I am weak in economy. If you are feeling any part of that, then this course is for you. Inside you, deep inside you, if you're feeling that I'm lacking basics, then this course is for you. So I hope you'll learn more from this particular course, and I hope you'll join this course and take most benefit out of this course. Thank you very much. I'll try to come up with the strategy of NCERT Foundation course little later. Thank you very much.